How much Dogecoin does Elon Musk actually own? We're going to take a look at this in this video and go over some of the ideas that some individuals have out there regarding the possible stack of Dogecoin that the man in charge of X, the man in charge of the Department of Government Efficiency now, along with another fellow, and the man in charge of SpaceX, how much does this guy own? There's a lot of ideas as to how many Dogecoins this man owns. And I also want to talk about the lawsuit against Elon Musk regarding Dogecoin from some Dogecoin investors that has officially been dropped. And it is a rather convenient timing as well that they dropped this lawsuit. We got to explore this. We'll look through some price action for Dogecoin today, what I expect in the short term and the midterm for this token, as well as the peak price predictions for Dogecoin in this bull market. And so tune in, stick around to the end. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. If you're watching on X, give us a like, give us a retweet. If you're watching on YouTube, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and let's get into this. So, as I'm sure you've already seen, Elon Musk has historically had a lot to say about Doge. Let's start this video out with a couple comments from him himself. Let's watch this clip really quick, a part of this, okay?
You know, at some point, I think we should enable that. You can buy Tesla Mocha with Doge, which is cool. So Dogecoin, Dogecoin to the moon.
You hear these? Oh, you hear people laughing. People love this. Here's a video of Elon Musk back from, you guys remember this? Back from March 13th. This is the previous highs for Dogecoin before a recent little spike up we had, where Bitcoin was at its previous high in 2024, March of 2024, and Dogecoin was pumping up, and it really got a nice pump after Elon Musk came out and said Dogecoin to the moon. And so many times has this man tweeted about it and talked about it and pumped it up. Right now, Dogecoin is one of the top trending tokens in the entire crypto market. If you look over the last 7 days, you will see that there are a lot of coins that have come up lately, but you'll also see that, Dogecoin is one that has done very well over the last 7 days, up 15%. It was up a lot bigger very, very recently. In fact, if we just take a peek over at the chart for Dogecoin, you guys will see that since August, let's take a peek at this. So since August, Dogecoin is currently up a whopping, this is a 4.5x, guys. This is up a 4.5x since August. In just a short, 98 days, Dogecoin came up a 4.5x. That is truly tremendous. And it's getting closer and closer to its previous all-time highs. And I do believe, as I've said many times, that I think it can go to $2 to $5. Now, one thing that might concern people, and to some it might excite them, but how much Dogecoin does Elon Musk actually own? The reason that I'm talking about this today is because, I'm seeing some people in the comment section on my videos are asking about this. And so I kind of went back and did some research that I want to share with you guys. And so this is the question. Now, how much Dogecoin does Elon Musk actually have? Some people are asking, did he buy some more today? I don't think that, there's any news reports of him buying any more Dogecoin today. But we do want to explore, this question of how much Dogecoin does he actually own? And here is one little piece to this article that I want to share with you guys. And so he has come out and he said some comments about Doge in the past, obviously Dogecoin to the moon, but he's commented on how much he owns in the past, saying specifically, here's a quote from this article. Elon Musk is the wealthiest man in the world. True. I think at this point, I think that's still true. When he says that Dogecoin, when he has a bunch, quote, bunch of Doge, it probably does mean more than a 6 figures worth. However, it is unclear how much Doge actually has. Now, there is some theories out there that suggest that he is the mystery Dogecoin whale. There's a mystery Dogecoin whale out there with over 36 billion tokens. That wallet owns around 28.27% of the total Doge in circulation. Now, some people say that, this is not true, and say that Musk is against cryptocurrencies concentrated in the hands of few, which I think that is true, that he is against somebody owning too much of the wallet. But if there was one person you arguably might want holding a large supply of this Dogecoin at this point in history, it would probably be Elon Musk, because considering that he's one of the richest men in the world, let's just say hypothetically he did own the supply. What if one day he burned it? That would help the price of Dogecoin go even higher than the $2 target that I think is possible in this bull market. And so Well, this is a possibility, him owning 28% of the entire supply. I'm going to come out and say that that is most likely not the case. Dogecoin's currently sitting at a $54 billion market cap. If he owned 27% of the supply, that would mean that he has approximately, what would that be, like $7 or $8 billion in Dogecoin or whatever it would be at that point. Or, well, actually, it'd be over 10. It'd be like $12 billion in Dogecoin. That would be a lot of money for him to have in Dogecoin. I don't think that's the case, but I do think that he probably owns a couple $1 million worth, because for a guy like Elon Musk, who has a multi-billion-dollar net worth, for him to have a couple $1 million in Doge is no big deal, and he's talked about it so darn much. But this is an interesting story that I want to share with you guys as well. Now, some Dogecoin investors put out a $248 billion class action lawsuit against Elon Musk. A federal judge in Manhattan had previously ruled that Elon Musk's public Dogecoin statements were aspirational and puffery. And so the claim is that he was coming out and he talked too much about Dogecoin and he was basically pumping up the token. This is kind of the argument. So the lawsuit claimed that Musk made misleading statements about the meme coin, leaving investors with significant financial losses. At no point ever in the history of Elon Musk speaking did he ever come out and say, go buy Dogecoin. He never come out and said that, and like the claim is essentially basically that these people feel like Elon Musk is responsible for their poor financial choices when we have so much information to help people understand. If you just look at the charts, guys, Dogecoin goes up, Dogecoin comes down. Why does that happen? Why do cryptos go up and down? Well, there's this 4-year cycle. There's this 4-year cycle we've talked about so much. You have these bull markets that happen in crypto where crypto goes up, and then you have bear markets where they come back down, and you have bull markets. And there's a lot of people that have never dabbled with cryptocurrency that just saw Elon Musk on SNL and saw Elon Musk say on stage, Doge to the moon and all these different things. And they just bought the top of the previous bull market, rode it all the way down, and now they had a bunch of complaints that Elon Musk is the reason that they bought the Dogecoin, and because of Elon Musk, I made a poor financial decision, is what these individuals in this lawsuit are saying. Well, now all of a sudden, Dogecoin from the bottom of the bear market is doing fine. It's actually up 670%. So now today, of course, this news story comes out that the Dogecoin investors are now dropping their $248 billion class action lawsuit against Musk. Maybe because the price is going up and now their gains are coming back. I just think that the timing of this story is hilarious. I think it's ridiculous. Now, I think that Dogecoin is easily going to achieve a new high. Elon Musk now has a government position, Doge, the Department of Government Efficiency. That's crazy. He's going to continue to talk about Dogecoin. Obviously, he loves this thing. He even in that video that I was showing you earlier, he comes out and says the reason he loves it is because it's like the people's cryptocurrency. People in his factories, people on his assembly lines for SpaceX, for Tesla, wanted him to talk about Dogecoin, and he just wanted to embrace it as the people's currency. And I think he's going to continue to do that. One day, X, aka Twitter, is going to become an even bigger platform than it is today. It's going to start integrating financial services into it, like banking, like stock trading, like a variety of different things out there. This is something that he's claimed he wanted to do for a very long time. And there's a world where maybe even Dogecoin gets integrated into that as well. There is no doubt that Dogecoin has a ton of upside potential. I want to show you guys this right now. If you look at the total market cap for cryptocurrency, we are right now at the literal all-time high for the crypto markets that it's ever been in history. We have never had a higher point in this total market cap for cryptocurrency, and this is going into a breakout mode similar to what Bitcoin has done. Bitcoin, if you look at what Bitcoin's done since it broke to a new high, Bitcoin has currently come up about 37% from its previous high. And now the total market cap is breaking out, and I believe that it's going to be a very quick move to see the total market cap take probably a very similar move, a potential 30% move to a new high. That is as you can see right here on the screen, that is a $1 trillion move to the upside. If the total market cap moves by 35% like Bitcoin has just done, and that is always how it's worked in every bull market. You can see here, we break through previous levels, and then a bull market ensues, and then we have a very big move to the upside. Likely, there could be $1 trillion that flows into the space really fast. And Dogecoin is the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Elon Musk cannot stop talking about it. Elon Musk likely owns a ton of Dogecoin, probably millions of dollars worth, but unfortunately, we do not know exactly how much. But that's not really important. What is important if you're holding Dogecoin is this thing going to go up in price? And if historic gains have showed us anything, historic moves for crypto showed us anything, this total market cap breaking out is a sign that $1 trillion could very quickly come into this crypto market. That $1 trillion is going to flow into the top cryptocurrencies by market cap first and foremost, and obviously into smaller altcoins as well, which says to me that Dogecoin has a ton of upside still. Probably could get to $2 in this bull market. That's something that I genuinely believe. I just want to give you guys that update because right now our total market cap is breaking out and Dogecoin is getting closer and closer to its previous highs. I've also been looking at Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. We did have a weekly candle close above this range, which tells me that Dogecoin could continue to have momentum versus its Bitcoin valuation. And in conjunction with that, we are now seeing Bitcoin down below 60% dominance in the market, saying that there might be an altcoin rally coming soon, which makes sense because I expect an altcoin rally to coincide with the total market cap getting this next $1 trillion in it. I think that altcoins are going to start showing more strength than Bitcoin, which means Bitcoin dominance comes down. I think Bitcoin keeps going up, but I think altcoins are about to rally, and I think Dogecoin is going to be one of those guys. That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA. Hold, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button if you're watching on X. If you're watching on YouTube, like it as well. Subscribe to the channel if you have done so already, and I got 2 videos right here for you if you want to check them out right now. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Peace.